Next up are this pair of Step 1 boxer briefs. So basically pants to the English people, or underwear to the Americans. This is the package they come in, compostable. I'm cornier than a dad joke, no joke, made from cornstarch. So quite like that. Think of the environment. So that's a really good, well done. What are these made of though themselves? The actual product. No idea. You would have thought it would tell you what the product's made of, not just the bag. So let's get them open. So rips open. So this is the black Currants design. I really can't remember what they look like. Oh, black Currants. They're sort of black. A little bit of paper in there. So these are supposed to be like really cooling, really comfortable, all that jazz. So Step 1 big logo, not really a fan of that. I mean, not really a fan of that. It's you can't really get away from it, especially that one. I mean, that's massive. Material feels really, really nice. It's kind of like a really cooling to the touch. Little mini logo there. There's lots of design features in this, apparently. One there. No idea, to be quite honest. They're supposed to be really, really comfortable. There's a pouch for your nutsack. So if we open inside, is there a pouch? Not really. I think I paid about $12, $15, $17 for these, just out of interest. I never normally spend that much on a pair of pants, but you know, I do anything for you guys on the channel, basically. They do feel comfortable. I haven't tried them on, but they do feel comfortable. They just, I mean, that logo, that's awful. It's really, really, really massive. Go a bit more discreet. I'm going to give these, I mean, the material feels great, and I'm sure they are pretty comfortable. I'm going to give them 6 out of 10. Interestingly, on the camera, they look like they've been really used. They haven't been, these are brand new, but not very photogenic, let me put it that way. They do look very, very wrinkly. It's probably just the material that's very cooling. Oh, there's a different type of material on the underside as well. So that's interesting. Super interesting. Not much else I can say about these, really. Would I buy another pair? Well, I'm going to try them on for $17. Probably not, but hey, I'll try anything once. Step 1, pants. So quick follow-up. Just notice there's a little label inside which says turning inside out does not count as a wash, smiley face. So that's a nice little bit of humour. These are actually made in China. 96% viscose, made from bamboo, 4% spandex, vent, 88% polyamide, 12% spandex. So, well, that's what they're made of. I actually tried these on. Curiosity got the better of me. Tried them on, and this is my size, but they're very tight. The best description I can give of these, it's like wearing a really tight pair of cycling shorts. Given the fact that they're supposed to be comfortable, the material is great. This is great. This belt bit is too tight. So, I mean, it's really one size too small, really. Maybe I'm just too fat, but hey, you know, the cycling shorts is basically what they are. I'm not going to show you what they look like on me because it's not very flattering, but yeah, cycling shorts. I'm going to give them a 4 out of 10. I mean, it's a shame. Really looking forward to these. Also, I'm going to mark it down because they call themselves on the packet black Currants, and they're just black. There's no black Currant there. Black Currant will actually be slightly red, but they're just black. A lot of marketing. I'm sure it's saving the environment. Well done for that, but get the size right, guys. 4 out of 10.